Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are doing new topic algebraic expression unit 12. A combination of constants and variables connected by the sign of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. In this unit you will learn about simple algebraic expression involving one or two variables, and also learn about their addition and subtraction. So, to understand all these, come to the exercise 12.1. Let's see question number 1. Point out the term t and their factor f of the following. See question number 1, A part. A part, x raised to power 3 minus 3y. So, this minus break this expression into two parts. So, we will write here terms is equal to one term is and other term is minus 3y, and factors means expanded form. X raised to power 3 means x, 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 and minus 3y minus 3y. Let's see B part. 3x y square, square means raised to power 2, plus 5x square y. So here terms, again two terms. So terms is equal to 3xy square and 5x square y, and factors expanded form 3x y because here is y square, and 5x x and y. So come to the C part. Minus 5 x square plus 3xyz. So here terms also 2, but don't forget sign, negative sign. So here minus 5x square and 3xyz, and factors is equal to minus 5 x 3 x y z. I think you understand now, so do remaining parts in practice notebook. Question number 2A part. 6 times a number added to its cube. So let a number is x. You can guess A, B, C, any. So according to question, 6 times a number. So it means 6 times a number, 6 multiply x, added to its cube. So it means 6x plus x cube. हमें एक्सप्रेशन बनाना है, इसमें आपको स्टेटमेंट दिए. Let's see B part. Product of two numbers. So here two numbers are unknown, so we guess it x and y. Product of two numbers added their difference. So let two numbers be x and y. So according to question, product of two numbers means x multiply y and added to their difference. it means x minus y. So x multiply y means xy plus x minus y. Come to the h part. Subtract the product of a number and 5 from 12. एक subtract वाला question ले लिया. So let a number is x. According to question 12 subtract from 12, it means 12 में से 5 multiply x. So 12 minus 5x. It is your expression. So I think you can do remaining parts. So come to the question number 3. A part. Point out the numerical coefficient. See 3 minus 5y. Numerical coefficient हम जिसमें वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, इट मीन्स दीज आर लिटरल नंबर a b c x y z जिसमें होते हैं, हम उसी में से न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट फाइंड आउट करते हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो हियर आंसर इज -5 न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट नंबर. बी पार्ट देखो 5x² minus 7xy okay z minus 8. So here is variables, so answer is numerical coefficient is 5 and -7. Understand? See h part of question number 3. minus m square n plus 12mn. Numerical coefficient in this term is -1 and in this term is 12. Okay, so these are very easy. So I am explaining only 3 parts. See, come to the question number 4. A part. The question is point out the terms which have x and also find the coefficient of x. See A part. 4xy square plus 3xy. See, point out the terms which have x. So both have x. So in first term, coefficient of x, it means remove x. So remaining numbers are 4y square. जब आपसे पूछा जाता है ना आपके फ्रेंड्स कौन है, सो आप अपना नाम नहीं लेते, अपने अलावा सबका नाम लेते हैं. तो इट मीन्स कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स 4y स्क्वायर एंड 3xy 3y. ओके, लेट्स सी बी पार्ट. माइनस x² plus 7x. Both have x. So in first term here is x². हमें सिंगल x की बात करिए. So x², एक x हट गया. So -xy. Remove 1x. Okay. In second term 7x. So answer is only 7. Now C part. 5 yz plus zx² plus 3xy. So in this term here is x, no, but here is x and here is also x. So answer is, we leave this term. हमें जिसमें x है उन्हीं दोनों टर्म्स को लेना है, zx². So leave 1x, then answer is zx. And in 3xy 3y. ओके, एक और पार्ट ले लेते हैं, f पार्ट लास्ट. x plus 5y plus 6z. So here is no x, no x, only this term have x, so I am taking only this term. So answer is x, and coefficient of x is 1. Okay. Question number 5 is same as question number 4. Question is identify the term which having y and write the coefficient of y. Question number 4 में x था and question number 5 में y. So in this term here is y, but here is y is not here, so we will take only this term. So answer minus 6xy square. So leave one y and remaining terms minus 6x and 1y. ओके और पार्ट ले लेते हैं, सी पार्ट लेते हैं. माइनस 8y z प्लस 12y square z. So here both have y, so we will take both terms one by one. Y z. So here is remaining, remove y, minus 8z, and second term 12y square z, remove one y, so remaining terms 12y z. Clear? एक और पार्ट ले लें. So f part last. 65yx square plus 115y square x square. So both have y. So in first term x square, so remaining y, remaining numbers are, remove y and remaining numbers are, and in this term one y we are removing, so remaining terms 115 y x square. Okay. Now come to the question number 6, a part. 2xy minus 5x square y minus 8xy 12xy square. The question is find like terms. So like terms, their variables are same. जिनके variables same होते हैं, so we can say these are like terms. See x square y and x y square, तो ये unlike terms हैं. तो here is like terms only 2xy and minus 8xy. Okay. See b part. See b part, here is x square y z. Their variables, numbers difference हो सकते हैं, but variables same होने चाहिए. x square y z, x square y z. अभी कहा था कि variables same हो but आगे पीछे चल सकते हैं. So ये भी like terms, ये भी like terms, and here x square y z. तीनों like terms हैं. x square y ये unlike है. y square x है ये, and here is y square x, so it means both are like terms. These three are like terms and these both are like term. This is unlike term. So we will write here answer like terms. Here are two group. One group is 7x square yz and minus 4yz x square and 8z y x square, and second group is 2y square x and 5xy²। आपने देखा यहाँ y² इधर है, y² इधर, लेकिन क्योंकि इट मीन्स बोथ आर मल्टीप्लाई में 5 × 3 और 3 × 5 बोथ आर सेम, तो इसीलिए अल्फ़ाबेट्स में भी यही होता है y² x y² x। सो हम कहेंगे ये वेरिएबल सेम है। सो दीज आर लाइक टर्म्स। ओके, लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। आइडेंटिफाई द मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल एंड ट्राइनोमियल। Monomial means one term, binomial means two terms, and trinomial means three terms. So plus or minus breaks an expression into various parts. This plus divide into two parts, so it means it is binomial. See 7abc, here is no plus no minus, so it is one term, monomial. See 3x² yz, इन सब numbers के बीच में here is no minus no plus, so it is one term monomial. See in this expression there are three terms, plus plus. See these two plus are divided into three parts, so it is trinomial. Okay, now last question of this exercise, question number 8. Write the coefficient of x in 7x² y. This question same as question number 4 and 5. So answer is equal to x in 7x² y. So remove 1x, so remaining numbers are 7xy. See B part, x², अब यहाँ x² है, in 15x² y. So answer is remove x², 15y. See now D part, a in 8ab². So remove a, then answer 8b². I think these are very easy. See, I am doing only last part h. x³ in 5x³ plus 2. So here answer is x³ इस टर्म में है, इधर नहीं है, so we will write only this answer. Answer is 5. This is constant, so we will write only 5. So now exercise 12.1 is over. Students, if you listen and understand video carefully at least 2 times, then everything will be cleared very well. Thank you students. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.